Welcome to our in-depth review of the Hyatt Regency Grand Reserve Puerto Rico, a luxurious tropical paradise nestled on a 72-acre peninsula in Rio Grande. This stunning resort offers a perfect blend of modern luxury and local charm, surrounded by lush tropical gardens and bordered by a secluded mile-long beach. Get ready to discover why this 4-star to 5-star resort is the ultimate destination for both relaxation and adventure. Let's start by exploring the accommodations at this magnificent property. The Hyatt Regency Grand Reserve Puerto Rico boasts a total of 579 rooms, ranging from standard guest rooms to lavish suites. The standard rooms are beautifully decorated in soothing neutral shades that evoke the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape. These spacious retreats feature all the modern amenities you'd expect from a luxury resort, including air conditioning, high-speed Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, and minibars or kitchenettes in some rooms. One of the highlights is the private balcony or terrace that comes with each room, offering breathtaking views of either the lush gardens or the sparkling ocean. For those seeking a bit more space and luxury, the one-bedroom suites are an excellent choice. These expansive accommodations include a separate dining area and kitchenette, perfect for families or small groups. With 2 double beds plus a sleeper corner, these suites can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. The crown jewel of the resort is the presidential suite, which offers the ultimate in privacy and luxury. While exact details aren't publicly available, you can expect panoramic oceanfront views, premium furnishings, and exclusive features that might include private terraces or pools. Now, let's talk about the culinary delights that await you at this tropical haven. The Hyatt Regency Grand Reserve Puerto Rico offers a variety of dining options that will tantalize your taste buds with a fusion of local flavors and international cuisine. While specific menu details aren't publicly listed, you can expect a main restaurant that likely serves a sumptuous breakfast buffet featuring tropical fruits and local specialties alongside continental options. For seafood lovers, there's a specialty restaurant that highlights fresh catches from the surrounding waters, allowing you to savor the taste of the Caribbean. If you're looking for a more casual dining experience, head to the poolside bar for light snacks and refreshing drinks. As the sun sets, make your way to one of the lounge areas or bars to enjoy expertly crafted cocktails that reflect the vibrant Caribbean influences. While dress codes tend to be relaxed, you might want to opt for casual, elegant attire during dinner hours. And here's a pro tip. Make sure to book your reservations in advance, especially during peak seasons or special events, to ensure you don't miss out on these culinary experiences. One of the standout features of this resort is its impressive pool facilities. The Hyatt Regency Grand Reserve Puerto Rico boasts 4 swimming pools, including Puerto Rico's largest lagoon-style pool. This expansive aquatic playground is perfect for families, offering plenty of space for splashing, swimming, and sunbathing. In addition to the main lagoon pool, you'll find smaller pools that might include adults-only areas or quiet zones for those seeking a more tranquil experience. Picture yourself lounging by the pool, sipping on a tropical cocktail as attentive staff provide food and beverage service right to your sun lounger. The pools are typically open during daylight hours year-round, taking full advantage of Puerto Rico's fantastic climate. And let's not forget about the beach. The resort is situated along a pristine mile-long stretch of sandy shoreline, where you can soak up the sun, take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters, or try your hand at non-motorized water sports like kayaking and paddleboarding. For those looking to stay active during their vacation, the Hyatt Regency Grand Reserve Puerto Rico has you covered. The fitness center is well equipped with cardio machines, including treadmills and bikes, as well as a selection of weights and free weights. While specific class schedules aren't publicly available, you can likely arrange personal training sessions or fitness classes upon request. If you prefer outdoor activities, take advantage of the resort's proximity to El Yunque National Forest, where you can embark on scenic hikes and immerse yourself in the lush tropical landscape. After a day of adventure or relaxation, treat yourself to some pampering at the resort spa. While detailed spa menus aren't publicly available, you can expect a range of indulgent treatments designed to rejuvenate your body and mind. Imagine melting away stress with a soothing Swedish massage or invigorating deep tissue treatment. Facials and body treatments are likely on offer, allowing you to emerge feeling refreshed and renewed. And don't forget to take advantage of the sauna and steam room facilities to complete your wellness experience. The spa typically operates from mid-morning through early evening, so be sure to book your treatments in advance to secure your preferred time slot. Families traveling with children will be delighted to know that the Hyatt Regency Grand Reserve Puerto Rico caters to younger guests as well. While specific details about kids' clubs aren't extensively publicized, guest reviews mention the presence of supervised activities for children. These likely include daytime programs focused on arts and crafts, games, and other age-appropriate entertainment. The resort's expansive grounds and lagoon-style pool provide the perfect backdrop for family fun, ensuring that guests of all ages have a memorable stay. One of the great advantages of staying at the Hyatt Regency Grand Reserve Puerto Rico is its proximity to some of the island's most spectacular attractions. Just a short drive away, you'll find El Yunque National Forest, a tropical wonderland waiting to be explored. Lace up your hiking boots and venture into this lush rainforest, where you'll discover cascading waterfalls, diverse wildlife, and breathtaking viewpoints. For beach enthusiasts, Luquillo Beach is about 15 kilometers away, offering pristine golden sands and calm waters perfect for swimming and sunbathing. If you're up for a magical evening experience, don't miss the opportunity to visit Fajardo Bioluminescent Bay, located approximately 18 kilometers from the resort. Join an organized tour to witness the mesmerizing glow of bioluminescent microorganisms in the water. It's truly a sight to behold. And for those interested in history and culture, Old San Juan Historic District is about 40 kilometers away. While it requires a bit of a drive, the colorful colonial architecture, cobblestone streets, and rich history make it well worth the trip. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on the overall experience at the Hyatt Regency Grand Reserve Puerto Rico. This resort truly shines when it comes to its stunning location, blending the natural beauty of the rainforest with the serenity of the beach. The recent renovations have elevated the property to new heights of luxury, with guest reviews consistently praising the cleanliness and modern amenities. The warm and attentive staff receive high marks for their hospitality, often going above and beyond to ensure guests feel at home. However, it's worth noting that the resort's secluded location, while perfect for relaxation, means you'll need to rent a car or rely on taxis if you want to explore beyond the property. Some guests have mentioned that nightlife options on site are limited, so if you're looking for a lively party scene, this might not be the best fit. Additionally, pricing can be on the premium side, especially during peak seasons, though many guests feel the overall experience justifies the cost. What truly sets the Hyatt Regency Grand Reserve Puerto Rico apart from its competitors is its unique blend of luxury and natural immersion. The resort's design, inspired by the surrounding rainforest and Atlantic Ocean, creates a soothing atmosphere that instantly puts guests at ease. The lagoon-style pool, the largest of its kind in Puerto Rico, is a standout feature that provides endless entertainment for guests of all ages. The property's commitment to preserving the natural beauty of its surroundings while offering top-notch amenities creates an unparalleled experience that's hard to find elsewhere. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.